Alright, sorry I'm cooking, but TikTok shop update. Still in the same boat. Making like sometimes $30, sometimes $50, sometimes $100 a day with this same one product. I have not gone viral. I've been copying viral videos so much. I've been doing conspiracy videos. I think I've done about like 6 though, so I think I have to keep spamming them a little more. I've made up to $1,300 or $1,400 now, so I've made another $400 or $500, which is good. But I want to scale it up to at least like $200, $300 a day. So I'm gonna do. I'm seeing people talk about bottom of funnel, but then they say bottom of funnel can get your account banned, which I don't want. So what I'm gonna do is a bottom of funnel where I'm gonna say, here's a sale, double discount, triple discount, benefit to the product, CTA, not just like sell, CTA. You know what I'm saying? I've seen some people say do benefits first, sell, then CTA. So maybe I'll try a bunch of those, but like a more 20-second video that's not just like sell here. And I probably might show my face too. I think they said they do want to see your face in these. I want to do mine faceless. Maybe I'll do a little bit of both. And I'm going to do that with conspiracy. So I should be able to pump out like 8 bottom of funnel videos a day with like 2 or 3 conspiracy. And then it's like 10 videos a day with 2 good quality, high converting top of funnel videos. And then some bottom of funnel. So that's what I want to do. We're going to see if it works. Like I said, if not, by June, if I don't have anything scaling more than this Gainable product, I probably will join a group. I just don't know which one. There's so many. Like I said, my top 3 are Traffic Hackers, Dom's Community, TikTok Insiders. Media Labs is up there. And then Farmer Boy, because he offers a refund in 60 days. So we're going to see. Dom has a page on it, which I really like. And they're really strong on the storytelling videos, but I've seen a lot of people like the Social Army people and the Farmer Boy style people who just post regular video like they're salesy. They're just like, I'm sick of recipes that make me gain weight. Here's recipes. Like they're not like the storytelling conspiracy, like the hard work I'm doing videos now. I've gotten better at them. Like I said, you just start, you get better. I've gotten better to the point where I'm just clipping my conspiracy videos, like clipping the things around at this point. Creating new intros, maybe creating new middle clips and just clipping them together. So it is a lot better. There's a necklace my fiance bought me for Valentine's Day that has a bunch of our videos. I'm about to record a bunch of those today. And then I'm going to try to do some bottom of funnel. I got the phone mount again. So we're just going to see. Like, I'm kind of annoyed. I do have a long list of conspiracies to make, so I can still, like I said, they take a little bit of energy and time for me. I bought another electronic gadget that I could just easily like show. I like one of those where I could just show what it's doing without my face. And I'm not going to give up. Like I said, I'm just going to add in some bottom of funnel to help get me quicker, more videos to do without having to do conspiracy every day, all day, every day. But I do still want to make like 2 or 3 conspiracy videos a day. Like today, I'm probably not going to make any though. I'm going to make just those necklaces, the necklaces videos. And I have a bunch of videos. I have a draft. I have one day full of drafts of 6 videos. I'm doing 5 to 6 a day. And like I said, we're going to see how it goes. Hopefully that helps. Everyone's saying bottom of funnels was changing their life. It's hard to go viral now. Everyone's just pushing ads with TikTok, which I've seen that. All my money is from ads still, or brands putting in ads. So we're going to see how that goes, and I'll keep y'all posted. Hopefully, like I said, if I can just get to $200, $300 a day, I can chill. I could chill and focus on my options trading channel. But since, like, I'm not making enough to live off of, I'm making a good bit of money. And again, now it's the 30-day payout. So once in like a few weeks, I'll get that $1K I made last month. But since I don't have it yet, I'm doing Amazon Flex again. So I would like, which is now in my new option strategy, is in the time I need to do my options. But I still think I can figure a way to get around it and do both, which would be nice because we love all the extra money. And yes, so I'll keep you posted on that. Like I said, just $200 or $300 a day. That's it. I'm almost there. I have a feeling, like I said, it's just they're all just gonna hit in like this third or fourth month. You know, like by June or July, even August, then everything will be taken off. And I'll be like, oh my God, I'm making $2,000 a day. Da, da, da. Everything is just a warm up. So we're gonna see. I'll let y'all know again. But it's still, I'm making consistent money. I'm almost to 2K made with TikTok shop, which is great. You know, like $1,000 a month is great money. You know, but I'm making enough to live fully. You know what I'm saying? But $1,000 is great. So I'll see y'all next time. Like I said, I'll update y'all as I feel like it's important, or I just don't want to not update y'all on this playlist. Unlike the trading playlist, it's easier because you know you trade every day. So yes, love you guys. See y'all.